Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding door for a room. First, carefully measure your doorway's width and height to determine the exact size your new door needs to be. Next, consider the aesthetic you desire and select a door material that complements your room's decor, like a solid wood panel or a frosted glass design. Finally, choose a track system that fits your space, whether it's a visible barn door style or a more concealed pocket door mechanism. Now, let's gather everything you'll need for this project. You'll require your selected door panel, which should be about 2 inches wider and 1 inch taller than your opening for proper overlap. A complete sliding door hardware kit is crucial, containing the track, rollers, and floor guides. Don't forget basic tools such as a power drill, a reliable level, a tape measure, and a saw for any necessary adjustments. With your materials ready, it's time for installation. Begin by mounting the top track firmly to the wall or ceiling, making sure it is perfectly level across its entire length. Next, attach the roller hangers to the top edge of your door panel, typically about 2 inches from each end. Carefully lift the door and engage the rollers into the track. Finally, install the floor guide to keep the door aligned and prevent it from swaying. To complete your project, apply your chosen paint or stain to the door panel, giving it a beautiful and durable finish. Then, install your preferred door pulls or handles at a convenient height, usually around 36 inches from the floor. For ongoing smooth operation, regularly clean the track with a damp cloth to remove any accumulated dust or debris. Also, periodically inspect and tighten any screws on the rollers or track hardware to maintain stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.